Hello everyone, welcome to VTM 2020, India's first virtual travel mart. If you wish to visit the platform, please click on events.travelgyan.com and click on sign in here. You must have received the sign in details in your inbox. Simply key in your email ID and your password to enter the platform. Once you are at the expo, you will be directed to the lobby area. At the lobby area, you have multiple options. You could either view the exhibitor profile or the agenda. You can enter the exhibit hall, network in the networking lounge, or click the auditorium to view sessions. You also have an option to watch video before you proceed to the exhibition hall. Let's click on the exhibition hall to show you what it has to offer. So at the exhibit hall, you see the floor plan of all the booths and all the exhibitors. You can simply scroll and go to the respective exhibitor that you wish to meet, or you can go in a particular sequence. Let me show you one of the options to give you an idea of how this whole thing looks like. Once you click on the booth, you'll get to see a small bio of the company. After that, you enter the booth. At the booth, you have various options. You can click on the company profile, you can watch a video, or you can start a conversation with any of the representatives if they are active. If you click on start conversation, and if they are in the booth, you will see a green icon which states that you can enter their meeting. If it is in red color, that means they are busy, and if it is grayed out, that means they're not in their booth. There is another option, which is the group meeting option. So if the representative of the booth is in the booth and in the group meeting, this color would be grayed out and you will be able to enter by grabbing a seat here. So you can also click on view collaterals and download all the brochures and the PDFs and all the other marketing collaterals. Now, if you wish to go to another booth, you can either click on previous booth or next booth. You can also exchange visiting card through this option. Now, after the exhibit hall, you have an option to enter the auditorium. An auditorium is where all the sessions will be going on. So as you see, we have a lot of sessions that are visible here. If you wish to enter any of the sessions at that particular time, you can click on live panel, okay, and you'll be able to enter the session. The next, moving on, we go to the attendees and the exhibitor. This is where you will be able to meet all the exhibitors. Simply click on exhibitor. And the list of all the exhibitors will be prompted here. Okay, so based on this, if you wish to meet anyone or schedule a meeting with anyone, click on the exhibitor, request a meeting, and the calendar pops up, and you can pick up this as per the scheduled time based on their availability. Meetings are from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Next, we move on to the one-to-one meeting. If you've scheduled a meeting with any of the exhibitors, then this is the place where you can come. You'll be able to see the confirm meeting, request sent, and request received. So if you have confirmed meeting, this is your dashboard. You can come here, click on it. This is my confirmed meeting. And at the time on Tuesday, 15 September at 11 a.m., this button, this widget would turn green and I can click on it and enter my meeting room. Similarly, the person on the other side would see his dashboard and he will be able to enter the meeting room. This is a private one-to-one meeting. So this takes care of all the pre-assigned meetings that you have requested from your exhibitors. Moving on, we go to the networking lounge. A networking lounge is a place where we have kept some games and activities. And this will be on the first day on 15th of September and from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. for 1 hour. Now, the beauty of this is that once you enter the networking lounge, you have all the exhibitors waiting for you. Just grab a seat, enter the networking lounge, attend a quiz session, and you get a chance to win prizes in most of the booths. Okay, so you can move from one table to the other, and you can just make it fun and easy. So and then you have a lot of prizes that you can win at the end of it. So make the most of your networking lounge, which will happen from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. on 15th of September. And this is the round table. This is where you join in from. So on the last day, on 16th of September, we will have an awards evening, and we recommend and we insist that you must attend, because that is where all the prizes and the awards would be given. And at the same time, this is the place where we will also have a performance by one of a well-known mentalist called Roy Zaltzman. He is from Israel, and he would be performing, and it's a fantastic show. So you must attend, and you must, this is a great opportunity for you to enjoy as well after 2 days of networking. So guys, we look forward to your attendance, and we look forward to meeting you at VTM 2020. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful networking session. Goodbye.